Good morning, children. We are going to start with a new chapter today, chapter 4, Around the World in 80 Days. This is written by a French writer, Jules Verne, and this chapter is given in the form of play in your book. This chapter describes the adventure of a gentleman named Mr. Phileas Fogg and his servant Passepartout, who set off on a journey around the world because Fogg placed a bet with his friends that he could do it in 80 days. The names of the characters of this play are given in the beginning of the chapter, and the characters are narrator Mr. Phileas Fogg, Jean Passepartout, he is a servant, Mr. Fix, he is a detective, Andrew Stewart, John Sullivan, Samuel Fallentin, Thomas Flanagan, and Gauthier Ralph. They all are friends of Mr. Phileas Fogg. Now, this play is about a gentleman. He is an English gentleman and he is not married and seems to have no relatives. He is a man with orderly mind and regular habits who lived by the clock. He did the same things every day at the same time to the minute. Then the next character is Jean Passepartout. He is the servant to Mr. Fogg and he is an obedient servant. He adjusted himself to the precise and strict timetable of his employer. Mr. Fix is the detective. He was in the search of a bank robber. Mr. Fogg matched the description of the robber and was an English gentleman. So Mr. Fix decided that Mr. Fogg must be the criminal. This was unknown to Mr. Fogg that he was being followed by this detective named Mr. Fix. Auda is the beautiful woman whom Mr. Fogg rescued from certain death, and she accompanied them on the rest of the journey. Mr. Fogg used to go to his club, the Reform Club, every day without any fail. In this story, the main character, Mr. Phileas Fogg, is trying to win a bet that he made at the Reform Club that he can travel around the world in 80 days. Mr. Phileas Fogg, along with his servants, started their journey on October 2, 1872, and he made a bet that I will return by December 21st.